Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the difference between corresponding and alternate angles and how to spot them in a question. So the first thing to note about corresponding or alternate angles is that they're only possible if we have parallel lines. So here we can see that these two lines are parallel and we're going to be looking for corresponding angles on the left and alternate angles on the right. So the way I like to think about corresponding angles is if you pick up one of the parallel lines and drop it directly on the other parallel line, those angles will be over the top of each other. So can you see if we pick this line up here and popped it on here, these two angles would be in the same position. The other way to look for corresponding angles is to look for the letter F. So if we look along here, we've got two lines going out and one line going down. This angle and this angle would also be corresponding. But this also works for backwards Fs. So we can have this angle here, this angle here, and we can also have this angle here and this angle here. And that is a final image of all the corresponding angles drawn on. So green correlates with green, blue with blue, etc. Now we're going to have a look for alternate angles. So these are different from corresponding because this time you cannot pick up this parallel line, drop it on this one and then be the same. It doesn't work like that. So what I do to look for alternate angles is to look for the letter Z. Again, this can be backwards. So if we go along this line, down here, and along in the opposite direction, we're looking for the angles that are made with the letter Z. So we can do this the other way. For example, if we go down here, and down here, we have these two alternate angles there. So if a question asks you to tell them whether the angles are corresponding or alternate, look and see whether you can pick up and drop the parallel line or whether you need to draw a Z. And whichever one you need to do to link them will tell you whether the angles are corresponding or whether they're alternate. I hope that helps. If you'd like to see these used in exam questions, have a look at the video linked below. Thank you for watching.